Hi everyone, my name is Farhana, presenter number 4, and today Rose Joyce will be presenting about the pricing of our product. First, let me introduce our members. First, our Chief Executive Officer, Rose Aryani, Director of Engineering, Muhammad Afiq, Director of Sales and Brands, Muhammad Izul Ashfiq, Director of Design, me, Nur Farhana, Director of Finance, Chloe, Director of Human Resource, Nur Khaira. Now, let's start with the price. For SUV Altaris, our current pricing is positioned within the ultra-luxury SUV segment. The standard model is priced at approximately 2.2 million ringgit, while fully customized version can range between 2.8 million ringgit to 3.2 million ringgit, depending on customers' preference and specifications. Our company decided on this pricing using a combination of two main approaches. First is cost-based pricing. SUV Altaris is positioned as an ultra-luxury vehicle, which means we use premium materials such as high-grade leather, real wood trims, and advanced technology systems. In addition, each unit is carefully handcrafted rather than mass-produced. This results in higher labor and production costs. On top of that, our production volume is intentionally limited to maintain exclusivity, which further increases the cost per unit. Therefore, the price must be set at a level that can cover these high costs while maintaining profitability. Second is competitor-based pricing. SUV Altaris is benchmarked against leading luxury SUVs such as Bentley Bentayga and the Lamborghini Urus. These vehicles are positioned in the same ultra-premium segment and have similar target customers. By analyzing their pricing, features, and brand positionings, we ensure that our price remain within a competitive range. This helps us stay relevant in the market while still reflecting our product's luxury value.
Now, let's move on to price comparison. Our price comparison will be in Malaysian ringgit. So the first one, let's start with normal or everyday category, which is Prodo Arus, priced at 72,900 ringgit to 77,900 ringgit. Other luxury cars such as Lamborghini Urus is priced at 1 million to 1.9 million. Another one, which is Bentley Bentayga, priced from 1.5 million to 2 million. And Rolls-Royce Altaris, priced between 2.2 million until 3.2 million. So as we can see by the price comparison, we can see that our product Altaris is priced much higher from other competitors. We can see by our starting price or our base model starts at 2.2 million. Meanwhile, other luxury models such as Urus and Bentayga, their most expensive SUV, can't even reach the price of our base model, let alone our fully customized version. Safe to say that our SUV price exceeds far from other competitors.
Hi everyone, my name is Chloe and today I'm going to talk about who is our target customer and customer price sensitivity. The target customer of Rolls-Royce are mainly ultra high net worth individuals such as top executive, entrepreneur, celebrities, and even royalty. They have very high purchasing power and belong to the global luxury consumer segment. Because of their financial capability, they are not looking for affordable option, but instead focus on premium products that reflect their lifestyle and personal identity. So based on this target group, we can better understand their price sensitivity and purchasing behavior. Firstly, these customers are not price sensitive. They are not very concerned about how much the product costs. Instead, they are willing to pay a premium price as long as the product delivers the exceptional value and experience. They also value quality and exclusivity. For example, Rolls-Royce are known for their high-end craftsmanship, luxury material, and attention to detail. In addition, these customers seek status and prestige. Owning a Rolls-Royce is not just a transportation, but is also a symbol of success and social status. Finally, they prefer customization. Rolls-Royce offer bespoke services where the customer can personalize their car, such as choosing a unique color, material, and interior design. This makes each car truly one of a kind and reflect their owner's personality. Therefore, Rolls-Royce target customers who are not driven by price, but luxury, exclusivity, and brand prestige. That's all from me. Next, I will pass it to Rose to explain further. Thank you.
Thank you, Chloe. Next, I will explain about the price strategy of Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, which is price skimming. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Company use price skimming as their price strategy, refer to where a company sets very high initial prices for a product targeting customers who are willing to pay a premium prices for exclusivity or innovation. Over time, prices may be lowered to attract a wider audience, but the main purpose is to maximize early profit and reinforce prestige. Rolls-Royce use this strategy because they set high initial prices for their cars. This signals exclusivity and ensures their vehicles are seen as rare luxury items rather than everyday products. Next, Rolls-Royce also target wealthy consumers seeking unmatched luxury. These buyers aren't just purchasing transportation, they are buying status, refinement, and a symbol of success. Rolls-Royce also capitalized on its brand recognitions. With more than a century of history, the name itself carries a high reputation. This strategy also approaches Rolls-Royce's luxurious image. By maintaining high prices, the company protects its aura of exclusivity, ensuring that owning a Rolls-Royce continues to represent wealth and distinction. Next, I will pass to Kyra.
Now, let's move on to Rolls-Royce's position in offering discount and offer. First of all, Rolls-Royce does not offer any discount to their customer. It's to avoid eroding the brand's core identity. As a luxury brand, its value is not just in the product itself, but in the exclusivity and prestige associated with owning one. Maintaining the image of luxury is extremely important. The scarcity of Rolls-Royce vehicles creates higher desirability among customers. When something is rare, it becomes more valuable. However, lowering price or offering discount can reduce the sense of exclusivity and weaken the brand prestige attraction. In addition, the target audience for Rolls-Royce is generally not price sensitive. These customers are high net worth individuals who prioritize value, craftsmanship, and status rather than looking for bargains. This means that discounts are not a key factor in their purchasing decisions. Plus, Rolls-Royce focuses heavily on personalization and bespoke features. Each car can be customized according to the customer's preferences, making every unit produced unique. This further justifies the premium pricing and reduces the need for discount. However, instead of traditional discounts, Rolls-Royce does offer selected incentives. For example, the company may provide leasing credit specifically for electric vehicles. This is done to encourage customers to lease EV models while still maintaining the brand's premium image. So, in conclusion, Rolls-Royce avoids discount to protect its exclusivity, maintain brand prestige, and align with the expectation of its target market. Instead, it uses strategic incentive to influence customer behavior without compromising its luxury positioning.
Okay, now let's look at how pricing can help to attract customers and compete in the market. Rolls-Royce uses a premium or price skimming strategy, where its cars are priced much higher than most luxury competitors. This is because the brand focuses on exclusivity, quality, and prestige, rather than affordability. In terms of market position, the high price helps strengthen Rolls-Royce's image as a luxury and elite brand. Each car is also handcrafted and highly customized, which justifies the expensive price and makes every vehicle unique. For target customers, Rolls-Royce focuses on high-income individuals who value status, exclusivity, and personalization. These customers are not very price sensitive and are willing to pay more for luxury and uniqueness. Finally, this pricing strategy helps attract customers by creating a sense of exclusivity and prestige. It also appeals to people who want to stand out and own something rare, while enhancing the overall brand image. In other words, Rolls-Royce competes in the market not by offering lower price, but delivering exceptional luxury and exclusivity. So that's all from us, and thank you for listening. Bye.